Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. And in our last video, we have discussed about describing word. And in this video, we have discussed about more on describing words. So let's have a quick overview on the describing word and what is describing words. We like to talk about something and we like to say more about the things you like your teacher. Why you like your teacher and how she looks. When you want to say more about the things, then you use words. What words? What words you use to say more about anything? We use descriptive word to say more about the naming word. That is called a describing word. So student, are you understand what is describing word? So now come on chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is More on Describing Words. More on describing word. In this chapter students, we are discuss about more on describing words. Now come on the topic. Use 5 describing words to describe yourself and your friend. Write them in your notebook. Here students, you use 5 words to describe yourself and your friend and write this describing words in your notebook. Like if you are a boy, then and your friend name is Ram, then you describe, you can say I am a good boy and your friend name is Ram and Ram is a bad boy. Here what you use for yourself, you use for yourself good, and here good tell more about yourself, and here what word you use for your friends, you use bad for your friend. Here bad tell something more about your friend Ram. Second, you are a brave boy. You are a brave boy and your friend Ram. Ram is a lazy boy. What word you use for yourself? You use for yourself brave. Brave is a describing word because brave tell us more about yourself. And what words you use for your friend? You use lazy for your friend, and here lazy tell more about your friend. Now come on third quality that describe yourself and your friend. Tall. If you are a tall and your friends are short. Ram is a short boy. Then what about yourself? What tell more about yourself? Tall. And what tell more about your friend? Like your friend whose name is Ram. Shorts. So these are the qualities and these are the word like good, brave, tall are the word that tell more about yourself and your friend. So student, you all understood very well what is describing word and how you can use describing word in your sentence, and how describing word tell us more about anything or naming words. Now come on next. No. You have learned about describing word. They tell you more about naming word. Students, you understand very well what is describing word and how they can describe about naming word. And now look at this sentence. Read this sentence. First one is, I like sweet candies. Candies is the things, and here what describe candies? Here sweet describe about candies. Candies is a naming word. Now come on next. I cannot lift the heavy bag. I cannot lift the heavy bag. Here bag is a naming word, and what tell us more about bag? Heavy. So heavy is a describing words. Third, this is an empty box. Here box is a naming word, and what tell us more about box? Empty. Empty is a describing word because they tell us more about box. Now come on next. It is a prickly cactus. Here cactus is a plant, and cactus is a naming word, is the name of a plant. And what tell us more about this plant? Prickly. So prickly is a describing word. Now come on next. I had fresh fruit in the morning. Here what is the naming word in this sentence? Fruits. Here fruit is the naming word, and what tell us more about the fruit? Fresh. So fresh tell us more about the fruits. Now come on next topic. Here the word sweets, heavy, empty, prickly and fresh are describing word. So student, in this sentence, the red colored sentence are describing word because all this sentence tell us more about the naming word. Naming means name of any person, place or thing. So these are called describing word. Now come on next. They describe the naming word because sweet, heavy, empty, prickly, fresh or describing word because they describe the naming word like candies, bag, box, cactus and fruits. Now look at the definition of describing word. Describing words are also used to describe a person. See the example that follow. Here describing words are also used to describe a person. It means we use describing word for a person. You can say that describing word tell us more about a person. See the example that follow. Look at the next page. Now read these words. Young, beautiful, tall, short, intelligent, naughty, pretty, brave, careless, kind, happy, lazy, lovely, loving, polite. All these are describing words, and all these words tell us more about a person. All these are the quality of a person. So you can say that all this describing word tell us more about a person. Word like young, beautiful, tall and short help to describe person, looks and quality. Here the quality young, beautiful, tall and short help to describe person, looks and quality. These are also called describing words. So you can say that describing word tell us more about the qualities and tell us something more about and describe about the quality of a person. So these are called the describing word. Can you say which of these words describe you? Now look at this sentence. Read this sentence, underline the describing word. Student, firstly, you have to read all this sentence and underline the describing word. I am reading a good book. Students, here what is naming word or in this sentence? What is naming word in this sentence? Book. And what tell us more about book? Good. So, you have to underline good because good is a describing word. Now come on, second. My house has a large gate. Student, what is the naming word in this sentence? Gate. And what tell us more about gate? Large. So student, you have to underline large in this sentence. Come on, third. I like crispy cookies. So student, what is the naming word in this sentence? What is the naming word in this sentence? Cookie. And what tell us more about the cookies? Crispy. Now come on, fourth. I want some cold water. Here what is the naming word in this sentence? Water. And what tell us more about water? Cold. So student, you have to underline cold. Now come on, fifth. I love pink cupcakes. What is the naming word in this sentence? Cupcakes. And what tell us more about cupcakes? Pink. So student, you have to underline pink. Come on, sixth. What a lovely day. What is the naming word in this sentence? Day. And what tell us more about day? Lovely. Lena has long hair. What is the naming word in this sentence? Hair. And what tell us more about hair? Long. So student, you have to underline long. Come on, 8. My mother likes yellow flower. Students, what is the naming word in this sentence? Flower. And what tell us more about flower? Yellow. So you have to underline yellow. That's all.